Well, good afternoon. Thanks for joining us online. The cold weather is moving in, and it's moving in pretty quickly. Right now, we're into the 50s, but this is the warmest it's going to be over the next 7 days. We'll see a few clouds move through later on today, but overall, we do have a very dry pattern ahead of us heading into Thursday, Friday. Really nothing to talk about. We'll see more sunshine moving through, but the big talker that everyone wants to hear about, are we getting some snow this weekend? Well, really depends on where you're located. So it's moving in late Saturday night. We could see a few flurries then, but the bulk of the system really moves in Sunday. So majority of the day will mainly just be rain, as we'll be well above that freezing mark into the upper 30s and low 40s. But through the overnight, when we drop down into the low 30s, that's where some areas could start to see a wintry mix, especially through the northern tier, right along the eastern shore, along the peninsula as well. That's where some of this could be changing over. Along Virginia Beach, northeast North Carolina, looks to be just rain at this point. And so the GFS, this is a different model, American model. You can see a very similar pattern moving through, mostly rain right along Virginia Beach and in Norfolk and Portsmouth and Chesapeake. And then the farther north that you go, that's where some of this could be switching over, especially in parts of Richmond, could be dealing with some heavy rain. So if you have any plans to travel there this weekend, make sure you keep this in mind. It could be a little bit trickier on the roads, and that will continue into early Monday morning, possibly making for a slick commute for some areas. So keep this in mind, keep updated over the next several days. Here's what to remember. A cold front moves tonight, much colder air moving in. We are staying dry for now, though. As things start to change into the weekend, that's when we'll see some rain and a possible wintry mix. Your 7-day forecast, low 40s on Thursday, the wind's still sticking around, then low 40s for Friday and Saturday. Saturday mainly looks dry before that possible rain snow mix moves in late through the overnight, and then the bulk of the system will be Sunday into Monday, and most areas will be right around that freezing mark Sunday night heading into Monday morning. So keep updated on this system. The model is still changing as it is 4 to 5 days out, but there is that possibility heading into the weekend.